two forces 10 I cap plus 14 J cap and 6 I cap 10 J Newton act upon a body. Mass is 8 kg. Then the acceleration we have to find. First force F1 equal to 10 I cap 14 J cap. Second force 6 I cap plus 10 J cap. Here is now we find the F net force. F net is the sum of the two forces. Now we can write 10 I cap plus 14 J cap, 6 I cap plus 10 J cap by, so here we can write 10 to 6 we can add 16 I cap, 14 and 20 you can add 24 J cap. F net is equal to 16 I cap plus 24 J cap. Now acceleration we can write. Acceleration A is equivalent to F net by mass. F net value 16 I cap plus 24 J cap. Mass value 8. Mass value 8. Then we can make 2 is common in both, 8 is common, 8 is common. 8 into 2 I cap plus 3 J cap by 8 we can write, 8 it is get cancelled. Then acceleration is 2 I cap plus 3 J cap. Next question, a body of mass 2 kg moving with a velocity 2 I cap J cap plus K cap, then momentum we have to find. Velocity V is equal to 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Mass M equal to 2 kg. Now we write the momentum. Momentum question mark. Formula. P bar is equal to M into V bar. Mass is 2 kg. Velocity is 2 I cap plus J cap plus K cap. 2 into 2 4 I cap, 2 into J 2J cap, 2 into K 2K cap. Finally momentum is 4 I cap 2J cap plus 2K cap. Now initial velocity given and final velocity given, we have to find acceleration. Initial velocity U bar is equal to 2 I cap minus 3J cap 2J cap plus 3K cap. Final velocity 2J cap minus 4K cap plus 5K cap. Time is given as 10 seconds. Finding of acceleration. Finding of acceleration. So formula we can write. Acceleration is equivalent to final velocity minus initial velocity by time t. Final velocity 2 I cap minus 4J cap plus 5K cap minus initial velocity 2 I cap minus 2J cap plus 3K cap. Now you can subtract these two and divide with the time 10. Then 2 minus 2, 2 I cap minus 2, that's right, minus 2 minus 2 I cap. Next one minus 4, minus of minus become plus, that's we can write as minus 4 plus 2 j cap plus 5 minus 3 k cap. By time is nothing but 10 seconds. A is equal to 2 minus 2, 0 I cap minus 4 plus 2 minus 2 j cap. Next 5 minus 3 means 2 k cap by 10. In both of them what you make common? 2 is make as common. Then we can write as minus j cap plus k cap by 10. This is cancelled how many times? 5 times is cancelled. So a bar is equivalent to j minus j cap plus k cap by 5. That means a is equal to minus j plus k cap by 5. Now vector 2i cap plus 3j plus 37k divided by minus 8. Then find the, it is compared with resultant, then what is the answer? So 2i cap plus 2j cap, 3j cap plus 7k cap is divided by minus 8. That's why you can write as minus is 2 by 8 I cap, 3 by 8 j cap plus 7 by 8 k cap. But all of them having the minus sign, that's we can apply. So we can write as minus 2 by 8 I cap minus 3 by 8 j cap minus 7 by 8 k cap. Now divide this 4 times is going minus 1 by 4 I cap, 3 by 8 j cap, 7 by 8 k cap. So compare with the general equation, that is a resultant we can be compare. He is giving as minus 1 by 4 I cap minus 3 by 8 j cap plus x k cap. 1 by 4 I, 1 by 4 8 exactly equal minus 3 by 2 j cap minus 3 by 2 j cap, also compare exact value. K is comparing with the k only. Then x equal to minus 3 by minus 7 by 8, x equal to minus 7 by 8. So x equal to minus 7 by 8. In this way we are finding the x value. The vector 3i cap, 3j cap, 9k cap and I cap, aj cap, 3 cap are parallel. Then the value of a is so the given vector is 3i cap plus 3j plus 9k cap. Now I cap is given as I cap plus aj plus 3 are both are parallel only, both are parallel. Now you can compare the above values. I cap to I cap means 3 by 1 is equal to 3 by a is equal to 9 by 3. Now you can choose any two sets of the components. That I choose first components only, 3 by 1 equal to 3 by a. Now you can make a cross multiplication, 3 into a, 3a we can write down. Next 3 into 1, 3 only. So 3a equal to 3 into 1, then 3a equal to 3, then a equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to L equal to 1 only. A equal to 1 only. When a vector 2i cap plus 4j is mutually multiply with the vector, then what about the n value you have to find? So resultant given as a resultant vector r bar equal to 4i cap minus 8j cap plus minus 14k cap. You can make minus 2 as common, minus 2i cap minus 2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4j cap plus 7k cap. So r bar is equivalent to n into minus 2i plus 4j plus 7k. So n value equal to exactly what here? Minus 2. So n equal to minus 2. So this is the, sir, please subscribe my channel.